In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe to accept payments on your website effortlessly. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get it right the first time. To kick things off, let's navigate to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. This is a crucial step in enabling your site to start taking transactions. If you're having trouble finding it, you can simply type Accept Payments into the search bar, which will take you exactly where you need to go. It's a quick way to locate what you're looking for without any hassle. Now, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your business location. This is an important step, as payment options can sometimes depend on where your business operates. Be sure to provide accurate information so that your payment setup goes smoothly. Once you've confirmed your location, it's time to find and connect Stripe. In the Payments section you just accessed, click on See More Payment Options. This will give you a broader range of choices. Under the section titled Third-Party Credit Debit Card Providers, you'll see an option to See Options. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll find a list of providers. Look for Stripe, and when you see it, click the Connect button next to it. This action will trigger a pop-up window, prompting you to sign into your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, simply enter your credentials. But don't worry if you don't have one yet. You'll be able to create an account right from this window. It's a seamless process that Stripe makes very user-friendly. Once you've logged in, you might need to authorize Wix to connect with your Stripe account. This step ensures that your website can interact securely with Stripe, safeguarding both your business and your customers. With the authorization complete, you'll need to return to your Wix dashboard, where you'll now see a confirmation that Stripe is marked as connected. This visual indicator lets you know that everything is set up correctly and your site is prepared to accept payments via Stripe. That's it. Your website is now fully equipped to handle payments through Stripe, offering your customers a secure and efficient checkout experience. By following these steps, you can be confident that your site's payment system is both reliable and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.